wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 10 best cordless soldering irons. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. You'll get 3 devices in one with the A1 gas torch, which has a plain silver body that's fairly attractive and no trouble to hold. And although we'd never suggest leaving such an item where kids could find it, it does have a child-resistant lock just in case. It's not terribly pricey and offers an adjustable flame. It can be operated with one hand. At number 9, if you use one of these on a regular basis, whether for your job or a hobby, the tooluxe battery powered is perhaps not for you. However, if you want to keep one on hand for occasional light-duty jobs, then it might be the right choice since it's quite inexpensive. It includes a protective cap and built-in LED illumination, but it's not made for the long haul. Coming in at number 8 on our list. They call the Splendid Mini pocket-sized, and for good reason, as it's just about 6 inches long and weighs less than a pound. But it's still highly usable, offering not only soldering capabilities, but also a hot air blower, all in one tool. It comes in black or yellow and gives you about 20 minutes of use per tank refill. However, it feels a little cheap. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for cordless soldering irons, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, a budget-friendly selection, the Pro Butane has an electronic igniter and a maximum flame temperature of 930 degrees Fahrenheit, so it should work for a range of common tasks. You'll also receive plenty of accessories with the kit, such as a hot knife. It includes an informative directions card and a holder that keeps everything organized, but it's not as durable as some. Moving up our list to number 6. Tired of replacing tips? Then you might consider the Master Appliance UltraTorch, which includes one with a double thickness of iron and chrome plating for greater longevity and thermal conductivity. The plastic body shouldn't fatigue the hand either. It comes with a steel storage case and is a versatile 3-in-1 model. However, it does suffer from occasional issues with the igniter. Halfway up our list at number 5. The ISO Tip 7700 wasn't designed to give you fancy extras, but instead to provide solid operation and a quickly recharging battery that keeps you working. It arrives with a stand that's got a relatively small footprint, as well as 2 tips. It creates about 125 joints per charge and feels balanced in the hand, but it is best for light duty only. At number 4, for those who've already invested in the system, the Milwaukee M12 makes a fine addition, especially since it has a few features that others do not, such as a 3-stop pivoting head that takes some of the hassle out of working in a confined space. It's equipped with a helpful indicator light and heats up in 18 seconds. However, it is on the more expensive side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Weller P2KC has a range of useful touches that make it practical in a variety of settings, from its piezo ignition to an automatic cutoff switch to keep you secure. Plus, it refills quickly in around 20 seconds, so you won't lose too much of your precious time. It's good value for the price and includes 5 tips and a convenient storage case. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for cordless soldering irons, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, for reliability combined with safety, the portasol P1 Professional makes a first-rate option. Its tank is ultrasonically welded, which means that it can resist damage even when dropped or exposed to high or low temperatures. It runs for 60 minutes between refills and comes with a gas level window. It's sold singly or in a kit. And taking the top spot on our list, the Hako FX901 reaches up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, but will emit no hazardous sparks, making it both easy and pleasant to control. And when it comes to portability, it's tough to beat, offering 120 continuous minutes of use with its 4 AA batteries. It features a quick change tip and a handy protective cover. It's lightweight and compact. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for cordless soldering irons, or simply click beneath this video.